Hello everyone! Today we're going to be making this little windmill house, which is the second part to our farm series, and I'll be adding the sheep later. So let's get started by building our trees first. We're going to do this one at a time, not the usual way. So first, we're gonna need one cylinder, two of these 2x4s, and two of these 2x2 slope pieces. So first, get your cylinder. This is the wrong way. And then put another one of your 2x4s. And then get your 2x2 slopes like this. And you should have a second one, which is a lighter color. And we can put it as a pathway, scoot this over one, to our little windmill house. Next, we're gonna make our hay bale, which is just a cylinder, a 2x2 cylinder, and this 2x4. All we need to do is just put this 2x2 cylinder on here, and then get the smaller 1x1 cylinder, and let's put next to the house. Now we're gonna do this windmill house last, because it is the windmill house, best for last. The windmill part that turns and spins was already made. I got this from the Red Creativity box. If you want, you can go check out that video, link in the description. So now let's take this guy apart so I can show you how to build it. Alright, so I'm done taking apart everything. Well, we're gonna leave this separated because we're gonna do this one later. So we have two of these 2x4s, two 2x2 slope pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these 1x2s, one 1x4 arch piece, and then obviously this one's from the Red Creativity box with these 1x2 fan blades and this 1x2 handle piece that makes it spin, and this little door. So now let's get started. So first, what we're gonna need to do is place our door down. Well, actually, let's do it back here. It'll be easier to see. Put it like this, and then let me show you why we'll need some pieces right now. See, this does, because that part will hold the rest. Oh, the window fell. Put this back. Like this. Or you could just change it out for these red pieces, which honestly I feel like we should do. And then let's put this pink piece on top. Then this red piece will go over here. So on the back, looks like this. That. Now we can get these orange pieces. And these yellow pieces need to go in between. Like this. And then this goes here. And then we can put our turning piece right onto here. Come on, we can do it. Like this. And then let's put our orange piece on top. And then this piece goes, these pieces go here. So now let's take this guy apart. This is simple. This is gonna be the rest of our windmill house. So you'll need is this two tall window, two 1x2 tall window. You'll need 4 of these red 1x2s, well 5, and then this red 2x4 slope piece. So now, let's put our window here. And then, actually let's put that there. And then we shall place this here. And then these pieces go here. And then you just put this thing on top. Forgot something. So let's bring our sheep here that we made in the last video. I'll see you next time. Bye.